Happy birthday! How old are you, baby?
2.
2. We're at Kualoa Ranch. We're about to do dinosaurs. So we are where they filmed Jurassic Park and King Kong and all of these cool movies. And it's really good because just Isaiah loves dinosaurs, so he's gonna love it. Yeah, he wins with birthdays. He wins the birthday celebration. Baby! Uh-oh! Shoo! You see the dinosaur? Look! Right there! Wait! Sorry. Go dinosaur! Baby, say cheese. Turn around, look at me. Tour time. You guys excited? Baby. Baby.
Say hi.
Say I'm 2.
I'm 2.
You ready, dude? Excited? Very cool.
All right, everybody, let's go ahead and say Kakahiyako. Kakahiyako. Wow, good morning to you too. You just say good morning. So, ladies and gentlemen, aloha. My name is Ursula. I will be your tour guide. Everybody say Ahu Puwa'a. Very good. You just said that division. So the 3 Ahu Puwa'as that we have is the Ahu Puwa'a. Come on, Bus. Go ahead and say that. Oh my God. Let's give Houston a big hand of applause. Oh, you're too much. The mountain in the front of us is the Kualoa Mountains. Kualoa in English means long back. We utilize these trees throughout the entire ranch to landscape the 4,000 acres. We also use it to shade the cattle and the horses that we have on the property. Coming up just ahead of us, you're going to see your very first movie site location. This here is going to be from one of the scenes from Jurassic World.
The sign?
Alright guys, you're going to keep yourself seated as I give you instructions.
Nice. Come on. Sorry, Papa.
This property, when I was a kid, probably about this guy's size, all the way to being an adult. And we used to come into this facility before it's cleaned up. We're in the museum. We go up to the 7th story, lock the doors within the night, and wait for the sun to rise the next day. So my friend collected all these stories I told her over the years and made the movie. In fact, she recently told me the grandfather character of the film was based on me. Now, I'm not a grandfather, but I guess I'm really, really old, so that's why I'm making the film. So I bring a little something different. I'm going to give you guys a little inside scoop, and we're going to get you guys back on the bus. Sound good? All right, so welcome to the facility, Banner Cooper. This is the layout of the place. You're right over here. Now, it's ironic because the first thing about Hollywood you guys are in contact with, the very first actual set, is about World War II. How weird is that? This is from the TV show Hawaii Flying Home. Over here on the wall, we have all the television series from the original Hawaii Five-0 back in the day with Jack Lord, to the most recent thing filmed here, Doogie Kamealoha for Disney. Over here on the wall We have all the movies that are filmed here. Kualoa Ranch has appeared as many other parts of the world, from Costa Rica, Saipan, Africa, South America, Scotland of all places, and Australia. The only time Kualoa Ranch appears as Kualoa Ranch is when the children come here and jump the fence for finding Ohana. But things left on the footprints. If you Google Earth, Kawa Valley, you'll see all the footprints that you can't see from the tour today. All right, who wants a picture with the rock?
With the little hippo.
Alright, you guys have been to Jurassic Park? This is part of the Jurassic World movie right here. This is in front of the Gyrosphere Launch Space set. Picture right here on the wall over there. This is where all the people were standing in line to get a ride, and they had to close the park down because the volcano exploded. It's hot. We're a smaller version of Utah. Build like it.
Yeah.
Pretty much maybe Samuel L. Jackson inside.
Oh, nice. Kong. Ooh, look. Woohoo. That's pretty cool. All right.
Go inside, you guys.
Oh, mean. Look, the cheese.
Yes, the nice one.
Beaches in the world. They are the Bonsai Pipeline, Sunset Beach, and the White Bear Bay. That route would also lead you through that historic town of Hau'ula. That is where they do serve up that famous Matsumoto shave ice. Now raise your hands if you saw the movie called Skull Island. Raise your hand. Who saw Kong Skull Island? Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, Bussy took the wrong tour. We have some of the babies. They're about a month or so old.
They're little. Baby pigs.
To the right side, the Polynesians, they do also eat hulu. They just prepare it quite differently. To your left and to the right is our native banana. This is the maiana. If you look at this tree right here, the one that's hanging, that bunch is as big as it'll get for the size of the banana. That is already its adult size. So when it ripens, the taste of it is tart and sweet. And then when they get super ripe, they're sugar sweet. To your left side, this is some of our hens.
You like it?
We're going to see a little bit more of our
Oh, look
hens
the
moving
chickens.
around the corner.
The hens.
Straight ahead of us, this is our non-smiling piggery. If you go into the marketplace after the tour, we do sell our own Kualoa grown chocolate bars. To your right, we have our papayas as well as the kalo. Kalo is the taro. That is the Hawaiians' main staple. That is how they produce their poi. So you remember the Jeep that was outside of the bunker as you exited out? There was a photo from the scene with the dinosaurs chasing the Pinzgauer Jeeps with the families in it. All of those scenes was done right here to your left. Beautiful. Welcome to Isla Nublar, Jurassic Park. All right, everybody, to the right side, this small hill right there. You can notice the tree if you go and rewatch the clip because it looks like it's leaning over this way. But during the movie, the tree was really small. This is the scene where the Gallimimus dinosaurs came stampeding down that hill. Across the way stood Mr. Neal and the two having grandchildren, admiring those Galamimuses stampeding down the hill until they realize they're being stampeded towards. Starring Kevin Hart, Jack Black, Miss Ruby, and Dwayne Johnson. This small hill to the right side, that is where two young Boy Scouts was standing one early morning. 2012, National Geographic was here doing a documentary trying to figure out how they move these statues on Easter Island. Again, 10,000 pound solid stone. You can capture that documentary on YouTube.
Wow, so many,
That is how
huh?
they could see, as they did not have
The
electricity.
baby ones are so cute.
Mm-hmm.
They also use these cocoon nuts
They're
for
stinky
some
though.
of their medicine. And this is what a small typical Hawaiian village would look like. You may refer to it as a hut or a grass shack, but its real name is Hale. H-A-L-E. That's how you say house in Hawaiian.
They made the movie Skull Island with King Kong. Wow. That's cool, huh? Ooh, it's a bumpy road. Oh, look at the gorilla all the way in the back. Wow. Look at that. So nice.
Mommy, I'm just sick.
This guy decided to fall asleep while we are on tour for him on his birthday. I don't know if we can see the kids all the way over there, but let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. You see Stacy and the kids enjoying. I'm glad they're having fun though.
Hi guys. So baby's sleeping on the bus. So Thomas stayed in there with him, so we're just gonna check it out on our own.
Oh, now I see the gorilla. Can we take a picture with the gorilla too?
Yeah. Okay. Ready? Go. Go, go, go. Hurry. Go, Saya. Go, sis. Woo! You gonna go all the way to the top? Oh, right there's good. Oh, dang. Whoa, okay.
It looks like a turtle, right?
You will see that that head is not even attached to their body. It's actually very far away. Okay? But from this side of the island, it looks like a turtle's island.
That's right. This island right there. You see that? See the one over here? This one? On this one? Okay. That's the island. Two are.
You still can see that turtle
Wow.
island. And then if you look behind the two rocks in front of the turtle's island, you'll see a shadow under those clouds. You see it? That is another island out there. That is Molokai, another Hawaiian island. Now that cone-shaped island that sits in that water, its real name is the Mo'okoli'i Island. Mo'okoli'i means the tail of the dragon type of a lizard, aka also known as Chinaman's hats.
Grandma is.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen,
Sissy, what did you say,
I
Sissy?
missed that. That looks good when Moana's watch was. And the blue tongue.
It does. Baby, it's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Why did I mess up it?
Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Say cheese. Hey, say cheese. Cheese.
I'm taking a picture of only baby.
Hey, be nice.
Saya, stop.
You could do both your brothers. That's fine.
I
Baby,
already did it to Saya, but
say cheese. Baby,
I'm gonna get it.
tell him. Say it's my birthday.
Oh, birthday.
Say I'm two.
Hi guys. We're just eating ice cream right now for our baby's birthday.
How old are you?
Two.
It's like, stop asking me.
Guys, mine is really melted right now.
Hey, sit down.
The chicken's right there.
Chicken.
Chicken are
Oh, hi,
roasted.
sis. I mean,
I scared it, and then the bird scared me.
Hi, sissy. I mean, chicken.
Hi, Sachi chicken. Hi, mommy chicken.
Yeah, we just had food. We're getting
By
shaved
eating-
ice
when
at
eating,
Angel's.
Now we get
Everything's been
to eat.
closed. We had a mission to just find something to eat.
Yep.
Apparently people don't like to work before noon here.
Another bite.
Right by the water, guys. The rocks. Oh, it's back there. We'll go back later. Ooh, look at that rock. You see the rock? It has like a hole.
Yeah, what is that for? Maybe for,
I don't know, it's pretty
maybe
cool.
for people to jump like dolphins, like sharks. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Go get that coconut. Get it, sis. It's right there. Look. Mommy, get the coconut right there. Right there. Go. There you can.
Is coconut inside?
grab that one over there. Nothing in here.
No?
I went under the one.
Ty having too much fun over there.
I go with
Baby having fun by himself over here. You okay? We are at Kualoa Beach, close to my family's hometown, the next city over. See over there at the end, that's Laia Point. We're just over there, we took some video over there. And then came over here, come swim real quick. Then we got an event to go to after this. Then we'll go have dinner, go home, call it a night.
How's it going?
Hi!
How's the birthday boy?
Birthday boy covered in sand.
Woo! Some more people here, but it's still very chill. Not a lot of people, which is nice. It just started coming in. Drying our things right there. That got wet. Yeah, it's a nice day. You guys having fun?
I like going inside the waves.
Yeah, inside the waves.
Yeah, I can also go in big ones now.
Hey, you're Sandy Barbie. Because you're so sandy. Look at your hair. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Hi.
It's like we don't want to go in the water anymore.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Yeah.
Yay.
So give all your attention, ladies and gentlemen, to Kelia and Auntie in the front.
What's up, family? Yeah. What's up, family? Woo.
Girl, I just told you how I feel for you.